Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today on Living Abroad, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your Thai pass to enter Thailand. My name is Alex and you can live through me. So if you've been following my channel lately, you notice that the place looks a little bit different. That's because right now I'm staying at the Marriott in Istanbul, Turkey, the beautiful city I spent 9 months in, and I was able to get this place for free through Turkish Airlines. If you're curious how to get a free hotel room, stick around till the end and I'll tell you if you qualify. So let's go ahead to the airport and I'll show you exactly what you need, step by step, all the documents and what to expect when entering Thailand using your Thai pass. Let's go. Oh, before we go ahead and do that, let me give you a quick glance of the free room I got through Turkish Airlines. And if you're liking this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let me give you a quick tour of this hotel room that I got. Watch this. It's not very big, but it's got big windows, a nice comfortable bed here, and a chair, as well as a big TV, and a bright, clean bathroom. Let me see if I can turn the light on. Whoa! Time to wash up before we hit the plane. Okay, enough of that. Let's go to the airport. So, getting into the airport was pretty typical, just checked in the luggage. But at the boarding gates, they have this special desk where they check all your documents before you board the plane in Istanbul. So we haven't even reached Thailand yet, and they're doing really serious, thorough check to make sure you have your passport, your Thailand pass, your negative COVID test before you board the plane. So that's all they've checked so far. They're doing this to make sure that the process goes easier. And yeah, so this is something new that I haven't seen before, and it's implemented specifically for the Thailand pass. We just boarded the plane and there's quite a lot of people here, actually, at least 100. Let's see how filled up it gets. The middle row was empty, so I took a chance to move seats. Hopefully nobody comes here. Let's see. Of course, the last 2 people on the flight have to be sitting here. Oh no, what can I do? Wait, they moved. Woohoo, I have the whole row to myself. I can lay down for the whole flight. 8.5 hours to go. Time to take a sleeping pill and wake up just in time to fill out the TM6 card. This is very important. Fill it out and hold on to it for when you leave Thailand. You're gonna need it. After you disembark from the airplane, you go down these hallways and you'll come across these blue seats. These blue chairs are here for you to sit down and get your paperwork ready. The staff will come and take a look to make sure you have all your paperwork, like your Thai pass and your passport and everything else ready to go. Over here, you're gonna line up just so they can check it. So here's some very important information. Once you get out of those seats and walk towards passport control, they're going to want to see your PCR test, your Thai pass. Make sure you have your boarding ticket as well. And this is also very important to make sure you go ahead and get this filled out, because they can give you a stamp on it, which is legit. So here they check for your passport, your PCR test, your boarding pass, your accommodation, and so forth. After that, you'll make your way towards customs. At customs, they want to see your passport, your Thai pass, your vaccination, your hotel reservation, and they'll take fingerprints. Then you just pick up your luggage after passport control, which was fairly smooth. I'll tell you guys all about that in a minute. And you just head out to your hotel reservation pickup. Once you pick up your luggage, right after, there's 2 SIM card places, True5 and AIS, which is one of the biggest companies here. And you can grab your SIM and data from here before heading out to your hotel, in case you need communication or internet or WhatsApp or whatever. You exit from picking up your luggage and SIM card, you come to this desk area where all the hotels are listed. Obviously you pick the hotel you're from, and then they give you a little sticker on your arm, which I'll figure out what that's for later. And then you sit down until you get to your shuttle. That's it. And from the airport, you go straight to your shuttle and then to your hotel. This is the hotel shuttle. Let's go inside and I'll tell you a recap of exactly what you need to get into Thailand. So they have a COVID test station right at the hotel. We just checked in now. They checked our passports, our Thai pass, as well as yeah, that's it. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it comes back negative so we can go ahead and explore Thailand and Bangkok. I am just waiting in my hotel room after doing the PCR test, so I'm having my fingers crossed. Hopefully it comes back negative, because I really don't want to pay a lot of money to stay 7 days in quarantine. Here's how you get a free hotel room from Turkish Airlines. if you're flying with Turkish Airlines and your layover time is over 12 hours, then you can qualify for a free hotel room and free shuttle service. So Turkish Airlines will put you up in a room and give you free shuttle service there and back if your layover is over 12 hours. So just walk up to the counter, the hotel desk at Turkish Airlines, show them your ticket, and they'll go ahead and put you up in a room. All right, so let's just see if the COVID test comes negative. I hope it does. Whoa, I'm so excited right now. So they just called and said that my test results were negative. I was waiting like patiently and anxiously for the past 12 hours since we checked in yesterday through the shuttle. But right now we did the testing and it came back negative. Ooh, I'm so glad because I did not want to stay here another 7 days or longer and cough up like 20,000 baht at least, right? So I'm so excited finally I can go out and enjoy Bangkok. And so that's the whole process, guys. That's what happens if you use your Thai Pass from now. I just made a video about the changes coming to December 16th. So this video is mainly from now until another 3 weeks, right? So that's the whole process. And I was able to get some footage even though I shouldn't have. I took the risk, like the fingerprinting and the customs and all that. But overall, it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, let me know. And leave your comments down below. Did it surprise you, the whole process? It was actually pretty fluent and consistent and organized. And it was like really quick as long as you have all your documents. So just make sure you print everything off, even though you could use your phone, but what if it dies or you can't connect to internet or you can't download your footage or something? Make sure you have all your documents printed and organized and ready to go, just to have a smoother process for yourself and for other people behind you and the Thai officials as well. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you get notified because I'm going to release like videos often, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
One night, and the world's your oyster.